Photoshop, a mask works like a rubylith or frisket, covering part of an image and isolating and selecting the rest. You can create masks using the selection and paint tools, giving you an easy way to isolate the specific area you want to work on. Here I'll create a mask that covers the sky, isolating the mountains. First I'll select most of the area as simply as possible. Because the sky is made of similarly colored areas, I'll use the Magic Wand tool to select it. Changing to Quick Mask mode shows the unselected areas covered with a rubylith. But because I want the sky masked and the mountains selected, I'll invert the mask. Notice that not all of the sky is masked, nor all of the border where the sky meets the mountain. Now we'll use the Paintbrush tool to add to the mask. To edit detailed areas of the mask, it's helpful to zoom in on it first. And then paint the mask with a small brush. Or delete from it with the eraser tool. Now I'll switch back to standard mode to view and save my selection. Once you've spent the time making a mask, you can save it as a channel. Then when you save the file, the mask will be saved as well. Now I can select the mask through the Channels palette and even rename it. By displaying just the sky channel and hiding the others, I really highlight the mask. This makes it simple to check for and paint in any pinholes in the mask that might not have been easy to see in Quick Mask or Standard mode. Now I'll view the image and apply the Masks channel as a selection again. To make the image easier to view, I'll display the selection border and hide the mask. Now that I've selected exactly the area I want, I'll make an image correction to the mountains with the Curves command. I can make a mask for the mountains by inverting the mask for the sky. I'll begin by making a copy of the sky mask, and then I'll invert it. Adding a gradient to a mask makes any change you apply occur gradually across the image. Here I'll use the gradient tool to create a gradient across the selected area, and then view the resulting mask. You can see how the mask gradually fades away at the top of the sky. Now I can apply this mask to select the sky. And intensify the sky with the Hue Saturation command. Notice that the sky is now bluest where the gradient and mask is lightest. Finally, saving the file in Photoshop format saves the mask with the file, in case you want to apply the mask again later on. For information on using Photoshop's other selection tools, see the Selecting movie. And to try making masks on your own, see the accompanying step-by-step tutorial.